how to use FM radio on Vivo phone. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can use FM radio on any kind of Vivo phones. Okay, so guys, if you have Vivo device and if you want to use FM radio, then guys watch this video. Okay, I'll tell you how you can use it and I'll tell you some settings, okay, which is important for you. So just stay tuned with the video, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get all the latest update, and hit the like button. Okay, so let's get started. So at first we'll have to go to FM radio. Okay, so let's open up the FM radio. Here I have found it. So let's open up the brush as well. So guys, as you can see, so to open up the FM radio you need to plug in your headphone. Okay, if you don't plug the headphone, then guys you cannot open the FM radio. Okay, so guys, to turn on the FM radio, here is a button. Just tap here once and from here you can turn it on. Okay, and guys, if you want to hear the radio in loudspeaker, then this is the setting. Just you have to tap on this icon, okay, headphone icon. So if you tap there, then guys, first you have to play, okay, like this. You will see the speaker mode. If you enable the speaker, you will see the speaker mode. If you tap once again, you will see the headphone mode. That's it. Okay, so guys, if you want to record some audios, then you can tap here and you can record it. And if you want to change the channels, then guys, there are two buttons, right and left. From there you can change it. And if you want to add some new if you want to add some new channels, okay, if you want to add some new channels, just click on here. First search the channel and then you have to tap it here, and that channel will be saved. So let's try to change another one. So let's change. Okay, so you can see I have added this channel. So let's pause the radio. Now if you go to menu, from here you can manage the channel. So if there are useless channel, just click on the edit, select the channels, and then click on the delete. After that, the channels will get deleted. That's it. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use the FM radio in Vivo phones. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.